Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I welcome you to this session. So still I'm gonna take you through the practical questions, and today we are still looking at word, and we are gonna look at one of the most best and challenging question, and that is mirror merging. So I want you guys to pay attention. So far we have gone through all these questions. We have looked at the table, and this time around we're going to look at question 4, and it's all about mirror merging, where you have to type the letter, and that letter is to be sent to several people automatically. And I'm gonna show you, this is the letter. I'm gonna show you how we're gonna handle it, and these are the recipients who are gonna receive the letter. So the question goes, you are the secretary to the school's fund for school program, and you're required to send out acknowledgement letters to people who have so far made contribution toward the program. The letter content are the same for all persons except the address, names, and native contributions. So below is the letter to be sent and a table of people who have made what contributions. So this is our letter. The letter is comes from Mukisa Senior Secondary School, PO Box, Iganga. Address, the name, you can see the address it is in the curly bracket, and even the name is in curly bracket. The native contribution is curly bracket to the fund for program. So, and it was written by the principal called Namkasa Florence. As you can see, that's our letter, and now below it is the table. The table contains the people who made their contributions, like Guys John, address, and he contributed $430. You can see that More in Imbalala contributed 500. Then in Sivambi contributed 20 kg of maize, and Juliet contributed 40 bags of rice. That is toward the food program distribution. So we are going to use an operating method and word processing program to make a letter to be sent to each person in a table. So you work as my letter in the folder containing your name. Type the table recipient on the word processor, file save it as address in the same folder, create it. So they are telling that the name and address should be bolded and contribution should be italicized or in italics. Use appropriate feature to link the table to the letter to produce 4 letters to be sent to each person, and that is our target here. Then after that, they have told us to set the background of the document to have a printed watermark of your skull. Insert page number at the top of the page using 1, 2, 3. Search your name as footer, italicize it, and put in the center. Then after, print each of the 4 letters. Actually, that is our target, and that's our paper, and that's our number. So here we go. We're gonna start by typing this letter. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna come here and open our practice folder, because this is our practice. So far we have practice 1 and practice 2. So our practice 3 is gonna be, we can come here and type that is practice 3, and save in MS Word, and it's about mirror merge. So I'm gonna add here on later one word which is called my letters, because that's how they wanted us to save, using that word. Good, there we go. So I'm gonna open it. So this is our new document where we're gonna type our letter. So as simple, some of us we don't know how to type, so we're gonna type Mukisa Senior Secondary School, PO Box 211 for Iganga, and the address, put it here. Then here we go. Mukisa Senior Secondary School. Then we press enter. We go to PO Box that is 21146 Iganga. The date was 12th, that is June 2007. So we come and put the address here using these brackets, address. You close that bracket, come back, then come to dear name, also put a comma with the address. Then after that, what I'm gonna do to save time, I'm gonna come here and just copy this, just save time, highlight our letter there, then copy it and come and paste it here. Let me change back the so you can see that now our data is typed. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna come and put our address there for the school. How do we do it? So we're going to come back to our practice here. We come and select this address here. You can either use this, it will go there automatically, so that you just try to align it very well. Come and tap here, you align it very well, and also this one, tap there. Yeah, here we go. So you can just come and click here so that there's some space. Yeah, our letter is done. So what next here, we're going to highlight. Actually, they have told us to bold our address here. Also bold this name here. We're gonna come and also bold the nature contribution, and also their community, italicizing it like that. So from there, our next question says, or goes like this. So you have to enter this table for the people who are going to receive the letter, who have made the contributions. So here we go. Here in mail merging, you have to take note of these things. We mainly use what we call the mailing tab, the mailings tab. So you come and tap there. Then you have mainly two features or buttons we're gonna use. We're gonna use select recipients. We are gonna use insert merge fields. You can see now right now it's not active because we have not inserted the field yet, or what we call enter the table. And then we are gonna use finish and merge. Those are mainly three buttons we're gonna use here. So I'm trying to make mail merging simpler for you guys. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna come to select recipients here, type a new list, or use existing list. Now if I happen to use existing list, that means I've already typed the table and it is either in Excel or Access or database. You get it? So that's when we use existing list. Actually, you can type this table in either Excel or spreadsheet or database or Access. Then after here, you just fetch it or import it and utilize it here as an existing table or existing list of members. So right now here we're gonna use type a new list using very program, that is word processing. So you're gonna type, click on it. You know, here there are some fields which are not supposed to be there. That means we need to customize the columns. The reason why we customize the columns, so that we remain only with these columns in our table. The columns in our table. So for example, the columns for the name, address, and contribution only. So what we're going to do, we're going to come and delete all these fields which are here, you just tap on delete button, you delete all of them one by one, so that we remain with nothing, so that we start adding our new fields, that is for the name and the address plus the what, the nature of contribution. So we're gonna delete all these. That's how we customize the columns. We make it the way we want it will be. So we delete all these. After deleting all this, then the next step is to add hours, which are given in a table like a name. We add it. We're gonna add that is the address. Type the address, click OK. Then you also come and add what we call the nature of contribution. Nature of contribution. Then you click OK. So we have done, we have finished entering our addresses, our fields, our columns. Then we're gonna come and click OK. As you can see here, so this is where you're going to enter the details of these recipients in the table. You get it? So we're gonna come and type our first recipient, and that we saw it as Lugaiz John, the guy in Kamuri. So we're gonna type Lugaiz John, that is in Kamuri. I'm just gonna put Kamuri district, and the nature contribution, that was you put the dollar symbol here, then you put 430. Then here you come and click new entry. You enter another recipient, that is Musime Mori. That person is from Barara. Then the contribution, that was 500 shillings. 500 shillings. Then we come and enter new entry, that is in Sivambi area. And the contribution, that was actually his address is Vuroba. Then we come, this contribution is 20 kg of maize. Then we come and enter new entry, that is the last Nakasuria, actually Juliet. That person is from Kampala. As the address, then contribution is 40 bags of rice. So once we are done here, we just click OK. So the table here, we save our table on a desktop. Make sure you look for our folder, that is practice. We save our folder as table. Save our file name as table. Click OK. Good. Now we started from this button. We are done with it. That's the recipients. Then we are coming to insert merge fields. Remember, this area was inactive, but right now is active after saving our table or inserting the fields. So I'm gonna come here and click on the table here, desktop. We come to practice. I get the table here, then open. So you can see our area is active. So what we're going to do, we're going to come to insert merge field. So you can see the name, address, and nature of what? Contribution. We are going to come to, we first click where you want this field to be. We are going to replace the fields which are here, and we replace with the one which are upon. So we are going to come to address, for example. you come to address, insert merge field, you put this address, then you remove this one which was there. That's the way to go. You come to name, you click there first, then you come to name, and also make sure you remove this, you leave that one. Nature of contribution, first click there, then you come to insert merge field, you insert that one, and you come and remove this one. Good. Thus, after inserting the merge fields, remember we had only 3 fields, 1, 2, 3, and they are done. So we are going to the last step, and that is to finish and merge. You come here, finish and what? Merge. So you come and click on edit individual documents, you click all, then you click OK. So the miracle has happened. You can see that this is Kamuli, that is the address, and this is Gezi John, and his contribution is $430. Then we come to the next letter, that's the first letter. The next letter is for Mbalala address. It is More, who was the person in charge and contributed 500,000 shillings. Then we come to Broba, that is in Silam area, that's 28 years of maize. Then from there we come to that is Nakasura Juliet, and she contributed 40 bags of rice. So these are our 4 letters. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna come and actually first insert what we call we're gonna come and insert the watermark. We come under design, we come and click on watermark, we come to custom watermark. They have told us to insert the watermark of our school, and our school right now it is Mukisa SS. So where there is ASAP, we remove this, we type Mukisa SS, then we click apply, then close. So it is there, Mukisa SS. It is going to appear on each and every letter, as you can see here, Mukisa SS. So that is our watermark. We make sure that we insert, it is going to appear on each and every page, as you can see. Then next, they have told us to insert page numbers on top of the page. We come to under insert tab, we come and look for page numbers here, that is top of the page. We can use this one, that's enough. So page 1, that is page 2, and page 3. Then after that we're gonna come to insert that is footer of your name. Remember the name is Chamzi Faizo. Then they have told us to, you can bold it and italize it and put it in the center. Then once you're done with that, you're gonna save the letters. You're gonna click here to save the letters. It's gonna give you this dialog box. You go to desktop, you come and type letters, then from there you come and click to practice, click open it, then you save. So that is our letters, and that is how we can handle what we call menu merge. And now the only way we are gonna do this, they advise you to print out these 4 letters. You click on Control P. So under the print preview here we have 1 letter, 2, 3, and then 4. Thank you for your time. I wish you next time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.